Alright guys, here's the raffle for the... Oh, I can't. Brian Arakpo. It's 9:33. You can't see it because of this stupid camera, but it's 9:33. And we're going live. I'm gonna switch over to random here. We've got Joe with 5 and JJ with 5. So I don't know why it's so out of focus right now. I'm gonna have to fix it after. But here we go. 1. JJ on top. 2. Joe on top, third in the winner. Good luck, guys. 3. JJ wins the card. 3 times JJ's on top. Thanks, guys. JJ, PM, you're ready.